The cat sat on the mat, then put the pen and pen in the bed. I put my cap and map on my lap. That is sad and bad. The ram likes to eat ham, jam, and yams. The plague and rag are in the bag. Mom gave me cash for taking out the trash. I was the soccer champ at camp. I put my hand on the set. I put my snack in the sack. The little ant crawled on the plant. I pat the leather hand and then went to bed. I have 10 pens in my desk. I took my pet to the vet. The little bird pecked at the wood desk. The gold yellowed into the well. I lent some money to Tom to spend. The baby bird lost in the nest.